Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to talk about a process to fix the name formatting in Microsoft Excel using Claude AI. So we will see, suppose we have a list of names where we have some inconsistent data. Some of the names are in completely uppercase letters, some of the names are in lowercase with some titles also. So in those scenarios, doing it manually is very time taking. But yes, you can utilize Claude AI, especially those like who don't have the paid version of Claude AI with Excel. They can also use web interface in order to solve their task. So here in this session, we are going to talk about the same. I'll show you all the prompts that we can use, in fact, to generate the data. Like here I'm going to teach you this thing. So whatever data I have prepared here, so that data is also prepared with the help of Claude AI. Although this method is not direct because we are going to make use of Claude AI web interface. Okay, but yes, we can utilize it in order to do our task. So let's see one by one. So as I mentioned, our topic is how to fix name formatting in Excel using Claude AI. But before we proceed further with this session, I just want to recommend you one thing, that if you have not watched the previously released session first, please go and check out those sessions, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow it sequentially, then it would be much more easier for you to understand the ongoing topic. Because for timing, we are just mainly focusing on this Claude AI plus Excel tutorial. But prior to that, we have already discussed few other important things. In fact, to check out all the sessions, you can also refer the Sharmit digital course book, which is freely available in the description box. There you will find more than 3,500 plus sessions available in both Hindi as well as English language. So without any language barrier, you can consume all the content for free. Okay. All right. So now, as per our problem statement, we have this raw data. So I have prepared this raw data, and if you look at that data, you will find that in this case, all letters are written in capital letters. In second name, all letters are in small letters. Then we have a third name where we have last name as first, and then comma, and then first name. For row number 25, we have Dr. Kavya Reddy. So you can see we have this title Doctor, likewise Mrs. And here we have a last name, then comma, and then first name. So every data is inconsistent. We are not sure like what all things are there. So that's why it is better to convert it into normal clean data in a proper case. So to do that, one way is to do it manually. One by one you will fix it, but it is very time taking, right? Now we have Claude AI, and we know that if there is any repetitive task and we want to fix it in a one go, so in that case we can utilize the Claude, right? But how? So let me show you. So here I'm currently on demo prompt tab. Now I'll move to my second tab where I have noted down some prompts for you that you can directly use in order to fix these kind of issues. So for that, we will go to prompt, and here you can see like I have mentioned a prompt. In fact, as I mentioned, the data that I just show you, this data is also prepared with the help of this prompt. So let me tell you, like if you want to do a practice, how you will generate this kind of data. So you can execute this prompt. Give me a sample data of 10 messy Indian names in different formats. What all formats are there? Like all caps, all lowercase, last name first, with titles, Dr., Mr., Mrs., and random capitalization. So in this manner, you can simply specify what is your exact requirement, what kind of data you want to prepare. So I want to prepare a data where I want some names in all caps, some names in all lowercase, some names with last name first, and few titles also, like Dr., Mr., Mrs. So this kind of title I want to keep in my data. And of course, there should be some data for random capitalization. Okay. Then after that, what I mentioned, in a very copy paste Excel table format with two columns. One column is name raw and another one is name clean. Keep name clean column empty, ready to paste directly into Excel. So what this prompt is doing here, it is asking the Claude AI to generate this kind of data with all those characteristics which may be mentioned inside this parenthesis in a very copy paste Excel table format. Why we have mentioned this line? Because I don't want to write the data, or don't want to copy paste it one by one. So that's why I simply mention in a very copy paste Excel table format with two columns. One column name is name raw and another one is name clean, and here we will keep the name clean column empty because there we want to find firstly we will fix the names and then we will fill it. Okay, so let me show you how it works. So when I copied this prompt and when I execute this here, so you can see I'm currently on my Claude, and when I execute the same prompt here, so it returns me this table where we have name raw and name clean. It looks like it is not a column, but no worries, because we have already mentioned that it should be in a copy paste format. So you can directly copy it from here and then simply go to your location where you have the data and then you can paste it directly there. Okay, so this is just to show you like how you can also create the data, because we are learning, right? We are learning Claude AI. So that's why I just show you the way to create this kind of data. Now we will see how to fix this formatting. So to fix this formatting, we have another prompt. Let me show you what is the prompt and how we can fix it. So this is the prompt. Here you have to specify each and everything properly. Look, AI can do any task, but you should know how to write the prompt, because if you know that, in that case you can do a thing that might take you 1 hour to fix the issues, but with one proper formatted prompt you can do it in within a seconds. Okay, so that's why I'm preparing these prompts so that you can also copy paste it and it will help you to do your task. So here you can see I have mentioned everything in proper manner. Like I have a messy list of Indian names in Excel. Please standardize all of them to first name last name format, proper case only. Then I specified few rules. First rule is remove titles like Dr., Mr., Mrs., S3, Shri, SMT, right? Fix all caps or lower case to proper case. If last name comes first, remove. If last name comes first, reverse it to first last. Remove commas. So these are some set of rules I want to apply to my data in order to fix that, because I know like what kind of inconsistency I have, and it will fix it. Okay, then we have this thing. Here is my data. Now I have already generated it from Claude, but in your case there might be some data, right? That's why you are looking this session. You have some data and you want to do this solution for that data, right? So in that case, here you can paste your original data. Okay, and then you can execute it, but always make sure to mention this line: give me only the clean name, one per line, no numbers, no extra text, ready to paste into Excel sheet B2 or whatever column where you want to paste. So what it will do, it will provide you the exact solution instead of extra information. Okay, and as we know, sometime like prompt might give you the exact result, and in that case like we will customize it if we are not getting the right answer. Okay, so let's copy it and see how it works. So here I will simply go and execute this. In my case data is already there, so I will just simply remove this line. So I'll just come clear from here, and this thing I will remove because it knows that we have created data. So I will just mention this thing: please standardize all of them to first, and then some rules and the conditions. So let's press enter here. Once you press enter, it will take few seconds and you can see now all the names is fixed. Just copy it from here, go to your Excel sheet, go to demo tab and paste it here directly. So you can see all the names are fixed. Earlier we were having Rahul Sharma capital letters, but now it is proper case. Likewise for Priya Mehta, Amit Singh, here you can see the last name and first name issue is also resolved. Titles has been removed. Earlier there was some Doctor, Mrs., Mr., right? These things are already fixed. So this is how you will work with Claude AI in order to do your Excel task. But remember, sometime you might get some wrong data as well. So in that case, always make a habit to review the data or output whatever you have received from your AI application. Although 99% it will not cause any issue, but yeah, there might be some issue. So always make sure to do a proper review. Okay. So in this session, mainly we talked about how to fix the name formatting in Excel using Claude AI. In next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.